Bonjour, classe. Okay, so now we're going to look at another verb category in the present tense. They are also considered regular verbs. They are part of what we call the troisième groupe, the third group of verbs. Okay, so over here we have, again, our pronouns, and I split them up again into the singular column and the plural. So you have je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. Okay. As far as the endings go for the regular RE verbs, you're going to have an S, nothing, blank. And then your second column is going to look just like the ER verbs. You're going to have, whoops, what am I doing? ONS, EZ, and ENT. Okay, so ONS. All right, so let's take the first verb. So we're going to do the verb perdre. Perdre, okay, which means to lose something, to lose weight. Okay, so je, tu, il, elle, on, and then nous, vous, il, elle. Because it's an RE category, we're going to put our root, go all the way up to the RE and remove that. Your root is going to stay the same 6 times. Okay, and now we're going to add our ending. So S, no S, nothing, ONS, EZ, ENT. Okay, pronunciation. Je perds. Remember, we don't hear our ending. Tu perds, il perd, elle perd, on perd. Nous perdons, vous perdez, il perd, elle perd. Okay? Other verbs are going to go into this category that are similar. Let's start listing examples. Okay, we're going to have attendre, attendre le bus, to wait for, to wait. You can have confondre, to confuse. You could have, let's look at défendre, to defend. Another one avec accent aigu. Dépendre, to depend, to depend on somebody. Descendre, descend, which means to go down. All right, to descend the stairs, to go down the stairs. Entendre, bien entendu, entendre is to hear or to understand. Okay. Let's put fondre. Fondre as in fondue. All right, fondre means to melt. Let's have mordre. Mordre means to bite. Pendre Pendre, which means to hang something, to suspend something. Similar, we have, oh, I wrote it down already. We use as our example, but we have perdre, which is to lose. We'll do prétendre, prétendre, which is to pretend. Rendre, rendre as in English we use the term to render, like to render services. So this one means to give back or to return something. Let's write répondre, répondre as in respond, to answer. RSVP, all right? Those of you who may not remember this, RSVP, to answer on an invitation, right? What does it mean? Répondre, s'il vous plaît. Respond, please. RSVP, okay? What else do we have? We could put, I'll give you one last one. Vendre, vendre as in a vending machine. Vendre means to sell. Okay, and that is it for our RE category. So again, these are going to be the present tense. So je perds mon stylo. I am losing or lose my pen. Attendre, all right, j'attends le bus. I am waiting for the bus. I wait for the bus.